Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Panasonic brand baby monitor and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for basically one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with like the monitor not connecting properly with the camera, or if it's not responding, if just any kind of issues where it's not working and you're trying to get it fixed, this is a good step in that process. Also, if you're just trying to get this set up as a new device, maybe you're setting it up on a new network and you want to get everything wiped off of it so you can set it up new, we can go ahead and do that. We're going to do this straight from the monitor, so it needs to be on. If it's not on, you're just going to press and hold the power button on top for about 2 seconds to turn on. Then all you're going to do is hit the menu button to open the menu, and you're going to use this up and down arrows to toggle through your options. So you're just going to toggle to camera management. So menu, toggle down to camera management, hit OK to select it, and then toggle down to reset, hit OK. And then you're just going to need to confirm, so you'll have to use the actually left and right arrows to toggle to yes to confirm it, hit OK, and then it will reset and it will beep when it's completed, and then you can go ahead and set it up as a new camera.